So in this problem, we are just trying to identify what the absolute configuration of the two chirality centers are in this Fisher projection formula. So it's simply trying to give priorities and then figuring out whether they are clockwise or anti-clockwise and see which way the fourth priority group is oriented towards. So there are two chirality centers, as you could see. That's the first one, and the first priority for that carbon is hydroxy group, that's 1. And here there's a carbon so there's a carbon here, that's a carbon there, and this carbon is attached to 1, 2 and 3 other carbons, whereas this carbon is attached to a nitrogen. For that reason, this would be a second priority, that is third priority, and the hydrogen here is fourth priority. So this is counterclockwise, and our fourth priority in the horizontal position makes this an R center. So that carbon is an R because it's counterclockwise with the fourth priority in the horizontal position. So as long as this carbon is concerned, this carbon is attached to a carbon, and a nitrogen. So nitrogen is higher atomic number, so that is first priority. And if you look at this again, for the second priority, which group should be assigned second? So this carbon, there is a carbon here and there is a carbon here, and this carbon is attached to oxygen, this carbon is attached to an oxygen, and this carbon is attached to a carbon with 3 other carbons, whereas this carbon is attached to 2 other hydrogens. Therefore this is going to be second priority for that chirality center, and this will be third priority, and that will be the fourth priority. So this is 1, 2 and 3. This is counterclockwise, again hydrogen in the horizontal position, so that is going to be an R center here as well.